So the parts finally came in from Diesel Geek. I got here the first gear getter bushing. This one here, along with the hex nut, it's like it came with, and the shifter shaft bushings. Looks like top and bottom. Yeah, pretty cool. So my goal is to go ahead and take the shifter knob off. So we're gonna replace this anyway. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this thing off, and as you can see, the bushings are shot like they're just non-existent. And so I'm gonna pick these out of here and then pick whatever's left of the bushings out of here, out of the bottom. Yeah, and then we're gonna replace the first gear getter bushing. That one was corroded. You can see it's in bits and pieces here, what's left of it. So yeah, we'll be taking off this little T-star nut here and get into it, replacing it. So went ahead and was able to get the shifter knob off. That's over here. And basically, as you can tell from before, it was just like a little clamp here that was holding that on around the shifter knob. It was actually broken off, so need to be replaced anyway. Cool. So what I'm going to end up doing in order to remove this thing is, you can see there's a little lip on here. So what we're going to have to do is push down on this, apply pressure, and slide this lip back. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the shifter bushing here. So the goal here is pretty much, see, we got some more corrosion of the bushing here, but looks like you just push down here. See if I can do it with my thumb. Move this little clip on here. See if I can do it. Yeah. Wow. It just fell apart. It's crazy. Yeah, that's a little clip there that holds on. It keeps pressure on the spring. So we'll just take that off. Set that here in the clip here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a pick tool and pick out as much of the bottom bushing and some of the top bushing that fell out in the shaft here. So yeah, so we're gonna see if we can't get some more pushing out the bottom of this thing. Right here. What I did was I fashioned a little piece of copper wire I found with a little snare and a little loop there on the end, so I can kind of fish out what was left of the bushing. There's some old copper wire sitting around and seems to be helping. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Get that out of there. if I can't fish out a little more here. There we go. Yeah, it looks fairly clean in there now. Pretty good. I was able to get most of the bushing out, most of the whole bushing out. Got a little canned air here with me. See how that'll work. So after using a little bit of canned air here, you can see that it's much cleaner now around the base of the shaft here. Really nice, really clean. Got a little extra just for the hell of it. Really clean, nice, and that's perfect for the new bushing now. So let's go ahead and get that. Bushings here. Got the bottom bushing here, top bushing and spring. So not sure if you can see that, but I was able to clear out a little space down there around the shaft. Let's see if you can get a So I'll go ahead and add this bushing here. And go and push that down. You can see that fits nice and snug in there. See that. It's nice. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spring here, right on top of that. Then the top bushing. You can see from here. And then there's this middle clip that goes on the top of it. You can see that. That'll sit on top of it and keep this whole little situation here depressed. So let's see if we can have that on there. Just gonna press it all the way down. Little clip. As I can press it here. Hold down with this little tool. There we go. Alright, well that was able to fit on there quite nicely. Took a little while, but we got it. Alright. As you can see there, the metal clip sits on top of it, on the spring, the top and bottom bushing. And that's pretty much it there. So yeah, as you can see, it's taking a lot of play out. A lot of slop out of the gear shifter. So yeah, that's complete. So if you found this video to be helpful, please like, comment, subscribe at the bottom of the video. I got a couple more videos coming. Got a fuel filter replacement coming. We've got some transmission fluid to switch out. What else? I got a VD500, Ansel VD500 diagnostic tool that should be coming soon, because I actually have a check engine light on in this vehicle. So we'll be clearing that. So yeah, like I said, plenty more videos to come. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know something. Jonathan does it all.